Okay, it's Phil from Aussie Garage. I'm here with Les with his HQ Sandman.
Yep.
Les, tell us about your ride, mate.
Yeah, so what I've got is a original Sandman built in March 1974. It had a full nut and bolt restoration undertaken by Munster Muscle Cars in Perth in 2019. And yeah, you can really see that he's done an excellent job on it, and a lot of people really comment on the car, more so the colour, you know, being the Monterey Green with the white stripes and the black interior really sets it off. And,
it does stand out, doesn't it?
It does indeed, and
absolutely.
Get a lot of comments on it.
So how long have you run this ride for?
I've had this car for, I bought about 8 months ago, and I bought it from a collector in Sydney.
Awesome.
Yeah, so very happy with it.
Oh, perfect. Have you been out much with it lately?
Only done 2,000 Ks in the 6 months that I've had it, and so it's really a Sunday drive.
Yeah, absolutely. So we're here at the WA Span State Titles. How are you finding it so far?
Excellent. Like, this is my first car show because I'm just new to this game.
Yep.
And I must admit, the set out and the organisation from the time I drove into the gate to the time I'm talking to you has been first class. So it's a real credit to what you guys do.
Ah, awesome. Well, we're glad you're having fun. So what's next with the van? What are you going to do? Are you joining a club, or are you going to become any part of that? Or?
Yeah, certainly we'll be joining the West Coast Vanners and do a bit more of this. So as I said, this is my maiden voyage, so see how today goes and we'll go from there.
Oh, perfect, mate. Well, look, we hope you enjoy your day and have fun with your ride.
Thanks, Phil. Appreciate it.
No problem. Thanks, bud.
Cheers.